I just got the Bissell SpinWave Vac because my main floor is all hard surfaces, hardwoods and linoleum. So I want something that will vacuum and mop at the same time, and I love Bissell. So let's unbox this and test this on my floors. Now to start off with, you get a great manual with very clean visualizations if you have any questions. And then you get two different sets of mop pads. These are great because they are washable, and so you can use them over and over again. This one has a little bit more of a texture going on, so it's going to give a little more scrub, and these are just a little softer. It also comes with a small bottle of their cleaning concentrate. This is the Hard Floor Sanitize Cleaner, which is perfect for my linoleum and my hardwoods. And this is a battery operated mop, so you are not going to be confined by the length of this cord, but this is the cord to charge the battery. And I cannot tell you how excited I am to put this to the test. The idea of something that can both vacuum and mop is magical. So this is the top handle. It's really nice, strong aluminum, nice to hold on to. And then this is the base that it will sit on when not in use. If it has any moisture, this will hold on to that moisture content, and it has these perforations so it will dry out over time. And here's how it comes. I love how easy it rolls around, really easy to move it. And on the bottom, you can see those two places where these scrubbies just Velcro in, and these will spin as they're cleaning, and you just pull them off. And right here is where it will vacuum. This entire front portion comes off, and this is where you add your mixture and cleaning concentrate that will spray out onto the floors. And it has the opening right here. You just twist open to fill up, and then twist closed. Now, because this is not a very easy thing to empty, you'll definitely want to think about that. Either make sure it always airs out between cleanings, or honestly, you could probably keep some cleaning fluid in it since it is a sanitized cleaning fluid, and that will keep it happy as well. Just try not to get bacteria in this container. And then it really does just clip in at the front, and then you have to push down until you hear it snapped lock. And then right here, this is where it's going to collect all the debris. It is a small vacuum tank. It's not an enormous vacuum by any means. It really is meant more as a mop that can vacuum as well, but this is all I need. On the top, it has a replaceable HEPA filter that you really can just pop right off. But in general, you'll leave that in, and you just pull off this top and then just shake it right out. Really easy. And then to put this back in, you want to put it on the top first and then just push it so it snaps. And then on the top is where all the buttons are. They're designed for you when you're looking down at the machine. So you have your mop on and off, your dry vacuum on and off, and finally your power button. And then down here you have lights to show you how much battery life it has. Now, if you have really dirty floors, they recommend to vacuum first before you do the mopping, but you can also run this with both modes going at the same time, and that is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put in the handle, and now it's ready to go. The battery is quite low right now, so I'm gonna let it charge all the way, and then I'll put it to the test. Now, I missed recording it, but I did test it vacuuming first, and it vacuumed on its own pretty well. The magic really is in the mopping and vacuuming, which I did for my entire main floor. I love how it can slide under anything. It's really good at getting in corners, and it's just constantly scrubbing in circles while vacuuming. Now, it is pretty loud, and I tested it with just the mop, vacuum, and both, but the reality is it cleans so well, I just don't even care. And I even ran it on my bathroom floor. It worked beautifully everywhere. I am completely thrilled with how well that cleaned my floors. Everything is beautiful from the linoleum to the hardwood. Now, it didn't get all of the debris. I can still see a couple little bits of dirt that didn't get cleaned up, but it did vacuum up most of it while mopping. The fact that I can now vacuum and mop my main floor at the same time is truly game-changing. I highly recommend this SpinWave Mop and Vac.